Hello everybody, welcome to Monday Market Must Knows. My name is Merlin Rothfeld, and here are 3 things that you should be paying attention to for the upcoming trading week. Now, as we all know, here in the United States, it's gobble, 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 gobble day. That's Thanksgiving for those that don't know what that sound was. It is Thanksgiving in the United States, and that means that the markets will be closed Thursday. That's an all-day equity markets will be closed, and Friday is a half day. Now, for those that are new to the markets, what this means is very risky trading environments, especially on Friday. Why? Because that day is a half day. Most people are taking a 4-day weekend, going to stay with family and friends, enjoying the fruits of their labor, which you should all be doing as well. Now, does that mean that Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday will be great trading? Most likely not. Why? Because again, a lot of people are going to stretch that 4-day weekend into a full week, maybe even going much greater destinations and traveling around the world. So that volume, which normally drives the market and we look for as a risk management tool, all of a sudden disappears. Now, why is that important? Because if I'm trading a large block of shares in a normal market and I go to sell it, the volume will be kind of absorbed by the market. If it's a very thinly traded week, meaning Thanksgiving or Christmas week or even 4th of July week, volume gets very low. So that same block of orders could have a bigger impact on that market if I send it out there to the market. So be very careful for that Thanksgiving week. Liquidity is going to dry up a little bit. So as a risk manager, you might want to pay attention to that one. Let's move on to our second thing, which is going to be the unemployment claims. Now, if you look here, it looks like the Burj Al Khalifa in Dubai, one of the tallest buildings in the world. Well, that is the tallest spike of unemployment I think we've ever had. And initial claims is critical because it shows you the current trend of unemployment. Now, of course, we've all been salivating at the rapid decline of this unemployment claims number. It's been looking pretty good, almost getting back down to normal that you see back there in 2019. However, it's still at 742,000 unemployment claims, and the last number was a bump up. Why is that important? Because we've been seeing it decline for week after week after week, and all of a sudden it started to rear its head just a little bit. So let me zoom in, and you can see the current trend really from when COVID started, and it's not a big bump up to that 742. It's slight. But it's important because right now we're seeing shutdowns happen across the United States. And last weekend, many states went into lockdown, including California, which means a lot of businesses are going to be suffering from lack of business. That means that a lot of businesses are going to start to shut down, and this unemployment number could start to curl back up, and we could see more unemployment numbers, more unemployment claims, etc. So it's kind of a dangerous point right now, as we might start to see this whole curve start to shift back up, which of course could put some trouble onto the economy, make it difficult for employers, and layoffs could start to increase. So keep your eye on that one. That will happen on, I believe that's happening Wednesday at 8:30 Eastern Standard Time. Now, final one, earnings season. We've gone through most of the major stuff. All the big names are out, but there's still a couple small ones here that may be impactful for your portfolio. Now, there are 174 companies reporting this week. On Monday, you see you have Urban Outfitters and Agilent. Tuesday brings us Best Buy, Medtronic, Dell, Nordstrom's, Dollar Tree, and Burlington, as well as Dick's Sporting Goods. And I will tell you, all those companies in red are retail sales companies. There are a lot more retail sales numbers reporting on Tuesday. Companies like Autodesk, Guess, Chico's Fashion, Gap, Hormel Foods, HP, American Eagle. That's all happening on Tuesday. So Tuesday is a big day. Now, Wednesday, we've got John Deere. Thursday is gobble day. You're going to be sitting with your family and friends, eating a ton of tryptophan, which means that Friday will be your day to rest and recover and hopefully sleep off some of your food coma. That, my friends, is your Monday Market Must Knows. We all hope that you have a fantastic Thanksgiving with your family and friends. Until then, we'll see you next time.